Hi, my name is Daniel Valle, and today I will be presenting In Good Company, Reviews at a Glance. Research has found that having a positive workplace culture improves teamwork, productivity, enhances workforce retention, as well as increases revenue. For this project, I have consulted for a company, Activated Insight, that provides assessing services for companies with regard to their workplace culture. They analyze data such as there are always opportunities to grow and develop new skills, says the caregiving frontline manager, and stop micromanaging, says the nursing frontline manager as well. With this data, the company tries to understand two main questions. First of all, what's the sentiment associated with the comments? And second, what are the major themes that the employees discuss in their comments? Currently, this is done manually by analyzing 7,000 comments per week per person. Obviously, this is very expensive in terms of the time involved, and also it is very prone to inaccuracies and inconsistencies. For these reasons, I have created In Good Company. In Good Company, the user chooses a file containing the comments, clicks Predict, and waits a few seconds for the algorithm to run all the necessary steps. So we will wait a few seconds for the algorithm to run. Then the user gets a quick view of the sentiments associated with each of the comments overall in the dataset. For this particular dataset, most of the comments are positive. It also gets sample positive comments such as great employee benefits for all, sample negative comments such as our team that works hard together. In addition, the user can filter the data by gender, work status, managerial level, birth year, customer ID. Let's filter by gender being female who work full-time. And then we can see that this demographic also has an overall positive sentiment in their reviews. In addition, the user can identify and see the main topics. In this case, there are 4 main topics, and can further see what these topics are comprised of. For this particular topic, the main words that make this up include care, staff, resident, time, and people, which relates to the overall relationship between employees and staff members in this workplace environment. Finally, the user can see the sentiment associated per topic. In this case, each of the topics has a positive sentiment associated with them overall. So, how does In Good Company work? In Good Company uses more than 100,000 comments, which are unstructured text data, such as they're always offering help, pero no entiendo mi trabajo. In addition, these comment data include metadata about the employee, such as age, role, tenure, company, etc. In order to identify the sentiment associated with these comments, the first step is to pre-process the data, removing all the elements that do not belong to the English language, remove uninformative comments, removing comments that contain phone numbers, emails, or websites, and also making up constructions. This information is then fed to a data analyzer, which we can think of as a dictionary having as keys words such as acceptance, and having as values sentiment scores such as 1.6. Another example is the word accident, which has a negative score of minus 2.1. Then the data analyzer does this association for each word in the comment and produces an overall sentiment score for all the comments. The second part of this analysis aims at identifying the themes or topics for all the data, for all the comments. For this, the data was further pre-processed with tokenization, lemmatization, parts of speech tagging, removing stop words, and then vectorizing this data in order to feed a latent Dirichlet allocation or LDA model in order to produce the topics. The latent Dirichlet allocation basically assumes that given a set of words or a vocabulary, though that vocabulary encompasses or makes the prediction for a given set of topics. In addition, each document has a certain probability of belonging to all of the topics. What the latent directed allocation does is looking at all the words in a given comment and see what the probability of that comment is to belong to any of all the possible topics available. So what I have created in this project is a data-driven tool in Good Company that improves the time performance compared to the current way in which the company analyzes this data and saves the company 14 weeks of work for every 100,000 comments analyzed in this way. This tool also allows for replicability and consistency, and it's also prone to being scalable. My name again is Daniel Valle. I have a PhD in linguistics from the University of Texas at Austin, where I studied the syntax and semantics of an underdescribed language from the Amazon. And in my free time, I like to play soccer with my friends. Thank you.